what happened with XTR. I wasn't gonna talk about it until I saw WestJet's video today. I don't know if you guys saw it. So there was WestJet's video.
Unfortunately, XTR, the truth has now been leaked. You are a bully.
He talks about his accusations with XTR, and he had his own thing that happened, but I figured I could talk about mine, you know. So I made a Google Slides just to kind of like present my side of the story and what happened. I was gonna add like a background to it or make it like more than the default, but I figured it was too serious for me to like really delve into that area. I didn't want the focus to be my pretty slides or anything, so I just did the default one. Okay. The Truth About XTR by Abraham Lincoln. So I haven't streamed in a few days. A lot of you probably have noticed this. The reason for that is because I've been receiving a bit of bullying from fellow content creator XTR. You guys don't know him. He's a YouTuber right here. He's sitting around 60,000, I think. Yeah, on his YouTube channel. He basically just copies Subi. If you guys don't know Subi, super nice guy. His channel recently blew up. He's got 82,000, rightfully so. He probably should have more subs since he was the first one. And it's kind of fucked up that he copied Subi in itself. But I mean, like, I've yoinked content from time to time, so you know, I don't really have too big of a problem with it. But he called me a big dummy head recently, XTR, and then he punched me in the face. I don't know if you see this, but you guys can see this on my face. He hit me in the face, and then he stole my wife, dude. He literally grabbed her and he just ran. They ran off together. They eloped, and I've been kind of beat up about this, so I haven't been live in like the last few days. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna try to get back into streaming, but I'm feeling kind of beat up about it. I wasn't going to come forward, like I said, until WestJet's video, and after WestJet's video, I was like, dude, this man, like, it needs to be brought up, you know. The reason it needs to be brought up is not because I'm angry or I want you guys to do anything, but the man uses the sensation vandal of all vandals, dude. So clearly something is wrong with him, like, mentally. He needs some help. I don't want to cancel him. I just think guys, like, we got to help him out. It needs to be brought to light. I know you probably don't like XTR, like, after hearing all these things, after seeing WestJet's video, after hearing me talk about it, how he stole my wife. And I get it. He's not very funny, so it's like hard to like him, you know. Just because someone's not funny, though, doesn't mean that they don't deserve a chance, you know, even if they are as unfunny as XTR, which is really, like, not funny. Like, I didn't actually know it was possible to be this unfunny, but the dude, he's got to have some crazy genes or something, man. Like, what the fuck? I have no idea what's going on with this guy. But if you guys really want to help me out, don't go to XTR's channel. Don't be mean to him. There's no reason to be mean to XTR. Just because he's not funny doesn't mean you have to be mean to him. Instead, if you want to help me out, just go into the description of the video, subscribe to my Patreon. It's really going to help me feel better about this situation. And other than that, I think that's all I got to say, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel down below. Go check out WestJet's channel. Support this homie. Don't be mean to XTR. But yeah, I just thought it had to be said. It's all good.